How to enable disabled apps in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable disabled apps in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you can then scroll down and there you should find an option called Screen Time. Head over to Screen Time. And after you head over to Screen Time, you'll need to scroll down again. After you scroll down, you'll find an option called Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on it. And after you head over there, make sure that you turn it on. And after that, you will see Allowed Apps and Features. Head over to Allowed Apps and Features. After you're here, if any of the apps are disabled, that is toggled off like this, you can simply toggle it on, and that's basically how you enable the disabled apps. And after you enable it, you can just head back, make sure that you do not turn off the content and privacy restrictions, and you're good to go. And that's how you enable disabled apps on iPhone. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe as well.